Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mudasir here, and today I'm going to show you Alibaba Product Scraper to scrap products data from Alibaba.com. In this video, you will see how I have extracted this data of products by using this tool. So this is the tool that I have developed. I am a full stack developer and I also provide my web automation and data scraping services here. Feel free to contact me if you have any custom projects. Now I'm going to explain all of its features and how to use this tool to scrap products data by using category and the supplier links. To run this tool, I'll send this zip folder to you. You will have to first extract it, and after that you will have to run this exe file. Well, today we are going to scrap products by using category links or supplier links. And you can also scrap products by using the direct product links or keywords. But in my case, I'm going to scrap the products by using category links. So let's choose some category links from here. For example, I choose beauty products, and from the subcategories, let's choose this one. And here is the listing of products. Just simple copy this link and paste here. And let's choose one supplier link. For example, I go to this product and this is the supplier profile link, and this is the products page link. So this is the listing of this supplier products links, and simple copy this link and paste here. And once you paste all of your desired links, you can specify the number of products that you want from each link. I'm going to specify 40 products. And this option is to export the data for each category or supplier link separately. And before starting, go in the option section to choose your desired data columns. I am choosing all. And these are some additional features. I will explain them later in the video. Click Start button. Now it has loaded the category page link. Now it will scrap its products one by one. Okay, it is scrapping the data. And to count the number of rows, right click at any column name and click Show Footer, and at the footer choose Count from here. And these are additional features. This option is to download the images for each product. If I check it, it will download all the images of each product in the folder. Let me show you. This is the folder. The images will be downloaded here. Okay. But in my case, I don't need this feature right now. And this option is to save data in the database. SQLite database system is integrated with this tool. Let me show you. This is the database, and data is saving here as well. And this option is to export all the scrap data on completion. And if I click this button, it will delete all the data from the database. And this is the notification system. All you need is to type your email here and choose your desired time interval. I am choosing on completion. Now it will notify me on my email once it gets completed. The scrapping process on Alibaba.com may be slow because Alibaba.com takes a little long time to load its pages. And we have also set the limit of 40 products to be scrapped from each link. It means it will scrap total 80 products. And to save our time, I am going to make the video 2x faster, and after that we will see the results, and I will show you how to export this scrap data into Excel file. Okay, the scraping process is near to be completed. So it has exported the data and showing message all products data have been scraped and exported into external file successfully. Let me show you where it has exported the data. It exports data in this folder. So we have checked this option to export data for each category link. So this is the category 1 link having 40 products, and this is the category 2 links, that was the supplier link. Okay, and this file named with the current date and time, it has all the scrap data in one file. Okay, now I show you how to export this scrap data manually. Click export button and specify your output location. I am choosing my desktop, and type your file name here like my file and choose your desired output format. I am choosing this one, and if we check it, it will open the file after exporting. Now it has opened the file, and this is the file. We can further edit this file. Let me show you how. So our file is ready for use. Okay, and we have also enabled the email notification system. Let me show you how it notifies. So I have received the email. It is showing that it has scrapped 80 products and showing the application name. Okay, so this is our tool, and if you want to get this tool or have any questions, feel free to contact me. The contact details are provided in the description. That's all. Thanks for your time watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with our new upcoming tools and their updates. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.